Kaizink, and I would like to demonstrate how to do a few changes within our phone system, which is the OnJive system. After logging in, which you will find the login codes on our master login sheet, when you log in, it brings you to the dashboard here. So one of the things that we find ourselves having to do is to change usernames on extensions when someone comes or goes or whatever. So for instance, today Nikki's extension has now been replaced by Monty. So we are going to go in and edit this and put the last name to Wilkerson, first name to Monty, and save that. And then when the phones reboot, whoops, I didn't change his email. So let's do that at the same time, which is Monty at Kaizink. Update that. So that extension has been changed and will reflect on users' phones when those calls come in. Another thing to be able to do in here would be in going to extensions, so we can see who is on each extension. As you'll notice, some of these extensions are ring groups, and what that means is, for instance, here in sales, when we click into here, we go up here and look at members, and we can see that within the members, this is who all is attached to that extension. So that is how that happens. So then we can direct calls to that extension and it will ring on all of those. Thank you for watching.